Yes,
Ready?
we are.
Yes, we are.
Ready, steady, go.
Yes, we are.
Pick one. I know, some of them are difficult.
Are you sure?
This is bun. This is bun.
At the moment, you are the cats, yeah?
Yes.
The cats have finished. And the ducks are sort of finished. But now I'm going to check if there's any mistakes. Wait, you continue. I'm going to check their mistakes.
What is this? What is this? Tap, top. Yeah, right. Stack, and what is this?
Well, if this is stack, this is
Stock.
That's right.
Okay. What is this? Band, bun.
Correct.
Okay. Snack, sack, sock. Yes. Snack, sink.
No?
Sunk. Sank, sunk.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Flash,
It seems
Alright.
that they have no
slam,
mistakes.
slump. Back. What is that?
I'm going to check now.
The name, the slang name of money.
Oh, bug.
Slang language.
Have you checked all the words?
Yes.
Excellent. Can we now swap around and have a look at what the other team has done? Swap around.
Come here.
Another one. Any other words? Come on, guys. I'm going to test you in a minute. Ask me any other words. Okay. To stack something. To stack. Which one? 3 over each other. That's right. Are we ready?
Yes, we are.
Correct. So, standing up, I'll stand here. Okay? So, the first one is
Tap. No, lack.
correct. Lack. Get the point. Move to the back. Next pair. Okay? Not going to need to have 2 men together.
Back.
Okay?
Back.
I'll give it to him. Bag and
Back.
correct. You get the point. And no, the bag.
Back.
Bug. That's fine. Now it's right.
Pan.
Beautiful again.
Pan.
Very good.
Yes, we are.
And. Fantastic. You all get the point. Can you please count how many points you have? Cats and ducks, please. Count the points. Count the points. The winners of the class are the cats.
Is that mint? I don't like mint.
No, it's honey. And it hasn't got sugar. Last thing before we go home. Can you just tell me what we did today? What did we do today? The cat, and the duck. The cat and the duck. Well done.